Hello, Xbox. I'm seeing on help because I can't figure this out. I've tried looking up videos on like YouTube and stuff, figuring out how to do this, and every time I always try to do this. Here, I'll show you. Watch. Makes that grinding noise, and then like try to put in the disc, all that stuff. Still doesn't work. Here's an example. Hold on. Yeah, don't like this game. Just goes in. It says it's reading. Just makes that noise. And just nothing really happens. I don't know. I can't figure it out. So, if you guys have any ideas, any comments, you can leave below. That'd be nice. Just to help me out in this. And thank you.